Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to turn on notifications for trending places on Instagram using your PC. If you want to stay updated on popular spots and discover what's buzzing near you, this quick setup will help you never miss out. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open more options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to your account's settings page, where you can customize how Instagram works for you. Now, inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Instagram. Next, look for Push Notifications and click on it. This is where you can manage real-time updates sent to your device. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Trending Places. Once you see it, select On. This will enable notifications so you'll get updates whenever there are popular or trending locations you might be interested in. And that's it. You've successfully turned on notifications for trending places on Instagram using your PC. Now, Instagram will keep you informed about exciting locations and trending spots, helping you stay ahead of the curve and discover new places effortlessly. If this helped you out, make sure to check your notification settings regularly so you don't miss anything important.